Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your profile picture from everyone on WhatsApp. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Next, look at the top right of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Now locate the settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Next, locate the privacy option. Tap on it. Step 5. Now locate the profile photo option. Tap on it. Step 6. For the last and most important step, under Who Can See My Profile Photo, view the 4 options. The first option is Everyone, followed by My Contacts Accept, and Nobody. Select the Nobody option to hide your profile picture from everyone instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.